Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something totally different. We're going big on an experiment that's going to blow your mind. Get this, we're going 30 days without watering plants. Yeah, you heard that right. A whole month. We got 5 different plants, a succulent, a cactus, a fern, a spider plant, and a peace lily. Each one's used to a certain amount of water, right? So we're going to see what happens when we cut them off completely. Will they survive? Will they thrive? Will they shrivel up and die? We're about to find out. This is going to be epic, guys. We're talking dramatic transformations, shocking reveals, and maybe even a little plant drama. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into the ultimate plant survival challenge.
First up, we got our succulent. These guys are the ultimate survivors, right? They store water in their leaves so they can handle a little drought. But 30 days, that's a long time, even for a succulent. We started with a plump, juicy succulent, looking all healthy and vibrant. But as the days turned into weeks, things started to change. The leaves, once plump and full of life, started to wrinkle a bit. It's like they were slowly deflating. By day 30, the succulent was definitely looking a little rough around the edges. It wasn't completely shriveled up, but it definitely wasn't as lively as it was a month ago. It was more of a pale green, kind of sad looking. So, did our succulent survive the 30-day drought? Yeah, it did. It's a testament to how resilient these plants really are. They're like the camels of the plant world.
Next up, the king of the desert, the cactus. These bad boys are known for surviving in the harshest conditions on Earth. They laugh in the face of drought. But can they handle a whole month without a drop of water? Our cactus started strong, standing tall and proud. It's covered in spines, which actually help it conserve water. Talk about being built for survival. But as the days passed, we started to notice something interesting. The cactus, while still standing tall, started to look a little thinner. It's almost like it was using up its internal water reserves to survive. It was subtle, but definitely noticeable. After 30 days, the cactus was still alive, but it definitely showed signs of stress. It was a little skinnier, a little less vibrant. But hey, it survived a month without water. That's got to count for something, right?
Now for the fern. These guys are used to a much different environment. They love humidity. They love moisture. So 30 days without water? This could be brutal. Our fern started out as a lush green beauty. It was full of life, with delicate fronds reaching towards the sky. But as the days without water turned into weeks, things took a turn. The fern started to wilt. Its vibrant green color faded to a pale yellow, and the fronds started to droop. It was heartbreaking to watch. This experiment was really putting this fern through the ringer. By day 30, the fern was, well, let's just say it wasn't looking too good. It was dry, crispy, and most of its fronds had turned brown. It was definitely not a happy camper.
Next up, we got the spider plant. These guys are pretty adaptable. They can handle some neglect. But a month without water? That's a whole new level. We started with a healthy spider plant with long, flowing leaves. It was the picture of plant perfection. But as the days passed, we started to see the effects of the drought. The spider plant's leaves, once vibrant and full of life, started to turn brown at the tips. It's like they were slowly drying out from the inside out. It was a slow, agonizing process. By day 30, the spider plant was hanging on, but barely. Most of its leaves had turned brown and crispy. It looked like it had been through the ringer and back.
Last but not least, we got the peace lily. These plants are known for their elegant white flowers and their love of water. So 30 days without a drop? This could be bad. Our peace lily started out as a vision of beauty, with its dark green leaves and pristine white flowers. But as the days turned into weeks, the peace lily started to show signs of stress. The leaves, once held high, started to droop. The once vibrant green faded to a pale yellow, and the beautiful white flowers? They wilted and turned brown. It was a sad sight to see. By day 30, the peace lily was a shadow of its former self. It was wilted, droopy, and its leaves were starting to turn brown. It was clear that this plant needs its H2O.
So there you have it. Our 30-day plant survival experiment. We put 5 different plants through the ultimate test of endurance, and the results were shocking. Some plants, like the succulent and cactus, showed their incredible resilience, while others, like the fern and peace lily, really struggled. This experiment was a powerful reminder that plants are living things and they need water to survive. But it was also a testament to the incredible adaptability of nature. Even in the harshest conditions, life finds a way. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this experiment, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments what other experiments you'd like to see.